Alright, happy Friday. Today we have from Al Kunafani MB Cream Mini 5 pieces. Okay, this is the thing. Let's open it up. This is sugar, highly caloric, but sometimes you should. Sometimes. Oh my god, this is a lot. Let's try to grab one piece. This is like fresh cheese, freshly made. Good, extremely soft but not too sugary, so yeah, you can dip in even more sugar, but don't do that. It's a very high calorie food and you should eat it really. But that is it. This is it. You can try it. I don't have any special discount codes or anything. They're not giving me any free sponsorships or stuff. This is my... Alright, so we have another dish from Al Kunafani. This is Nutella Kunafa medium size. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, so this is the Kunafa. It already has a lot of sugar, Nutella stuff, but you still get extra sugar. Okay, there you go. We have a spoon right here. Let me just take a bite out of it. This is fresh, just freshly made right now. Let's hope the taste is good. And I don't recommend putting sugar on it because it's too heavy and it has already way too much calories because of the cheese, Nutella, pistachio and stuff. And I'm taking a big bite, so don't judge me because oh my god, I cannot even hold it. Yeah, come in my hand. Yeah, it's damn sweet. So the kunafa is already way too sweet. Don't put the sugar syrups. It is already a very high calorie sweet. So that's all. Not sponsored by Kunafani or anything. Peace out. Follow Ahmed Motivates, Ahmed Photography and all my social media accounts for more food reviews. Yalla, bye bye. Okay, so this is the kunafa with Nutella. As you can see, this is way too sugary. Don't put the extra sugar syrups on top. This is already having way too much sugar. And this is the cream mini 5 pieces. Okay, this was okay, but this is damn sweet. So yeah, you can try them, but not every day, just weekly or maybe a monthly basically. All right, peace out.